Welcome, everybody, to the universe. This is still Alpha 16.1. As you can see, you were actually able to see it, because previously we tried to play an earlier alpha, pre-alpha even, I think, and it was not able to be streamed or recorded or anything, because it crashed the game every time OBS or DxTroy was open. But, yeah, Chad is actually Chad, I forgot his name already, but he worked on Kerbal Space Program. He's now working on Universe Sandbox. And welcome to the universe, everybody. Alright. Way! The sun makes a noise. Did you not know this? How do I, like, make things not so fast? Ah. Ha. 290 hours a second? Time step? I don't understand. Can I slow things down? Okay, woo. So now we are 6... Why is it variable like that? 6 hours per second is what we're looking at right now. Alright, so yeah, Universe Sandbox is exactly how it sounds. It's a physics sandbox. You start out here in the solar system, very similar to your space engine and Celestias and whatnots, except here you can actually edit and change parameters and gravities and add or change or remove objects and whatnot. But let's take a look at, whoa, let's take a look at Earth. That there's Earth. That there's Earth. Spinning quite fast. Let's actually slow down things a little bit more. Just a couple hours a second. Perhaps even slower. Is there like real time? How do I make real time? Ah, well. That'll do. Where's the moon? Moon, where are you? Is the moon not in this? Oh, the moon might not be in this. And of course, right as I start, the phone starts ringing. Nope! I'm busy! Playing video game with my friends. I guess the moon is not in this setup. That's okay, though. Alright, so, ooh, like there's actually some depth to the globe. You can see mountains. Can you land? No, okay, so you can't really get any closer than this. But that's alright. Okay, so I could use some sort of walkthrough or tutorial. Ooh, what's this? Oh, okay, here we go. What's new? What's new, Universe Sandbox? That's all that's new, okay. Email. No, I don't want you to email me. How do you... Tutorials and lessons. Here we go. Astronomy. Ooh. Pianos. Light. Creating pulsars. You're kind of loud there, Universe Sandbox. Yo! Yeah, let's turn down the music a bit. Video settings, 1920 by 1200. Well, that's incorrect. VSync. Screw VSync. There we go. That's much better. Should I change this? Okay, we're fine. Yeah, I don't think that really changed anything. 32% of Steam users. Yeah, it opens up in a small window. I guess that's why people don't change that. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's, we're done with the settings. How do I... Okay, explore. Introduction. This is a realistic scale stimulation... Stimulation? Beg pardon? Simulation of our solar system. You can rotate your view. Whoa! Click and drag. Click the play pause button. Ah. Select a planet. I will go to Mars. I think I selected Mars. Zoom closer to your target. Don't mind if I do. Woo! Going nuts! Click. Ah, you get information. As you just see, and edit the selected body. Close the properties window. Will do. Introduction. Chart mode lets you view and compare bodies in the simulation. Oh, there's your scale model of the universe. That's not terrifying or anything. That's not something to make you swallow your spit. Whoop, hello. Alright, there's the sun. Where's the Earth? The Earth is way down there. We're little tiny Earth. Screwbags hanging out. Oh, that's Mercury. Mars. There's the Earth. Don't mind us. Everything we know and see and have ever held dear is that tiny little globe compared to the sun, which shall murder your face. Alright, what was the next step? You can arrange the objects. Oh, via radius. I don't know what this is. Via temperature. Densities. Mass and density. And then random. Well, how about just mass? There we go. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Alright. Make live. I will bring life to the planets. Whoa! Hello. I don't know what I just did, but... oh, we just went back to... Oh, God! Oh, I made them... Whoops! Because they were so close, I then told the game to simulate as if this was a real thing. So now we're being shot out into the universe because we were too close to the sun. Well, that's just a shame now, isn't it? Alright. Click on the chart button again. Oh, now we're back. Alright. Click on the chart button again. Okay. Click on home. Alright. Open it. Oh, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to, like, just open... Click on the name of any simulation. Alright, so these are some colliding galaxies. Oops. Oh, I'm zoom out! I can't zoom out. There's no more zooming out to be done. How do I zoom? Unzoom. View. Okay. Alright. Oh, there we go. Let's watch some colliding galaxies, shall we? Zoop. That's what's gonna happen to the Milky Way in about 4 billion years. As Andromeda gets closer. Ooh. Can you see this? I know things translate through to Twitch very dark. Light, realistic. Studio lighting. Flashlight. Oh, realistic. Ooh. The crazy thing, here's some mind meltage. When two galaxies collide, it's almost always the case, and most likely the case, that no stars ever hit each other. There's so much space in between each of the stars that there will be no collisions. You'll just pass through, like you can pass, you know, like sand through a very wide mesh. So that's crazy to think about. We here on Earth, if we were alive, would notice nothing the different. It might be a little bit brighter because there'd suddenly be a second galaxy in the sky, but it's crazy, crazy madness. Of course, there's also the chance that your star could get flung out into the far reaches of the universe, but you wouldn't really notice any difference there either. If you're still connected with your star, you still got all the heat you need. Oh, things are happening. The two central supermassive black holes are spinning out of control. Oh. Space contains a lot of space. What a concept, I know. What is it? I think if you were to... the entire size of the universe, if you were to evenly distribute all the matter, you would get 1 hydrogen atom per square meter. Or per cubic meter, excuse me. So take a cubic meter, like in space. Imagine that in your mind. A single hydrogen atom, the smallest atom in the universe. A single hydrogen atom, if you were to diffuse and like evenly distribute all the matter that exists in space. Craziness. Mental. Insanity, I say. Alright, so we're back here. Click on home, okay. View all the create objects. We will become gods and create our own universe simulations. Open a create preset. You can also click on the edit icon for each preset. Oh, I see. Earth and Apophis, Earth and Moon, Earth and Mimas, Earth and Ceres. Okay. Oh, we've got some impacts here. That's a new thing that they have added to Universe Sandbox, is actual impact models. They said, I was talking to the creator and developers, and they said, and that was one of the things that disappointed me about the first Universe Sandbox, is that there were no collisions. Like, objects would either bounce off of each other or just kind of like become one. And he said when they were first demoing that and a collision happened, there was a great sigh of disappointment from the audience watching. Well, that's neat. All right, well, that's what would happen if Ceres, the dwarf planet Ceres, were to hit the Earth. Oh, yeah, that's something else they model. The fact that it hits this side affects the other side of the planet, too, because there'd be a big aftershock. And then all the rest of the... Kaboom! Little debris would fly down. That would be a bad day for Earth. Oh, cool. The oceans have evaporated because of the heat. Yeah, that's some cool modeling. Yeah, look at the oceans have all receded. Ha! That's great. Yeah, they're going really quite in depth with the modeling and the simulations here. Nah. That's I'm like, why is like Florida not surrounded by water? Oh, that's right. It evaporated in a fiery hellstorm of apocalyptic destruction. That's why. Oh, so yeah, then like they even simulate the climate changes. I think they're also working on like the tidal effects. Like say if you tidally lock something, then the climate on one side of a planet, whoa, would be different than the opposite side, obviously. Neat stuff. You can also explore activities and tutorials. Don't mind if I do. Great job! If you ever want to go through this introduction again, just use this menu. We hope you enjoy Universe Sandbox 2. Don't mind if I do. So that was, what was that? That was create. You can create different... Whoop! There's more incoming debris. How about Earth and Mars? Oh, that's gonna be bad. That's kind of how the moon was made, was it not? Whoa, that's craziness. Alright, so let's hope that no Martian-sized planet ever hits Earth. Because that'll be a bad day. That'll be a really bad day. How do I do that over again? Could I just, like, I want to do that a little bit slower. Woo! Becomes a tiny, tiny sun. No, wow, look at all the debris. Yeah, that's kind of how the, isn't that how the moon was made? There was a Mars-sized planet that impacted Earth, and kind of the remains became the moon. I don't think that's how this simulation transpired, but... How do you... Yeah, I want to do that again. Power! Advanced settings. Oh, okay. How about speed? Time? Slow. Yeah. Okay, let's do that, but let's watch in slow motion as Mars is going to hit smack dab in the middle of the Atlantic there. Whoa. Well, there goes all of Europe. Sorry about that. There goes the oceans are evaporating. What's happening on this side? Oh, America's gone. That's a shame. Kablooey! Yikes. Oh, there's the water. Is all disappearing. Whoa, it just went all at once. Whoa, here's the other side. Here we go. Here's a... Get this out of here. There's a nice picture for you. Wow, they've... Well done, Universe Sandbox, folks. You've really outdone yourselves this time. And then the shockwave is gonna... bounce back through. I do feel like there would have been a lot more debris to come out of that, but... Yeah, there's something... This thing is... a little chunk of Mars. And all the little remaining debris falls down. Sounds like the music that plays during the Forza games. Overly dramatic for a racing video game. Neat. Well, that's cool. Well, I mean, it's extremely hot, actually, but that's cool that they've gone through this. Oh, we've got some sort of crack there in the... Neat. What other stuff have we got going on here? Mars, Sun, and Jupiter. Jupiter and Jupiter. Ooh, I wonder how they... I don't know if they're gonna differentiate between gas planets and... No, they kind of treat them... Ooh! 2 Jupiters! Oh, and then it just simply created a new planet. Whoa! Hell's blazes, Jupiter. Slow down there. I don't know what I'm following. I'm following what was the center of one of the planets, I guess? Yeah, I guess they don't yet differentiate between gas planet surfaces and solid planet surfaces. Although I'm sure it would transpire similarly, because the atmosphere is quite dense anyway. Wouldn't it, like, now create a sun? Because it's there's so much mass there? Uh-oh, we've started nuclear fusion. Alright, so we want a black hole and the Earth. Oh lord, the Earth! Oh, we're just... where's this black hole? I'm very confused. What is going on? We're just swinging back and forth, everybody. Whoa! Whoa! I'm not 100% sure what this is doing. Alright, that's a weird one. That's a little bit of a weird one. How about 2 asteroids colliding? Oh! Screw you guys! Something's wrong with the view. I don't know what... That was funny. Okay. Neptune and Neptune? That's gonna be very similar to Jupiter and Jupiter, isn't it? Uh-oh. Am I breaking the video game? All the textures are going wonky on me. Alright. Perhaps too many collisions. Okay, yeah. The game's freaking out. Let's open an existing simulation. The game's freaking out, everybody. Let's see here. Collapsing momentum test. Okay. Just got a bunch of Marses. Do all the gravities start pulling them together or something? I think so. These 2 are close together. Oh, yep. Oh, yep, we're having collisions. Alright, so we just randomly placed a bunch of Marses, and all their gravities are starting to pull themselves together. So eventually, I'm assuming they're all gonna coalesce. Oh, hello! Random pause in the music. Yeah, they are all gonna start to come towards the center here. This is gonna hit. Kablooey! Yep, and as the mass continues to increase... Kaboof! Ooh, that was neat. Oh! Close! A close miss there. I guess we're following this one around. Uh-oh, you're gonna be tossed out into the... ether, my friend. Oh, look at all the close misses! Oh, there was a hit. We got a hit! Ooh, that one changed direction mid-flight. Well, not really flight. Mid-orbit. Whoop! Ooh, that one made it spin really fast. Get spun! Uh-oh, we're on a collision course here. This is taking a lot longer than I anticipated. I thought they would all just go whoomp together. Oh, here we go. These two. Watch it. Oh, we got a third contender enters the ring. Oh! Oh, then I ceased to be. Oh, follow this guy. There we go. So eventually, let's speed things up a little bit, maybe? Did I do that right? I think so. Of course, in speeding things up, I think I lower the accuracy of the physics. Kind of like in Kerbal Space Program, if you speed things up too much, it'll break your ship. Huh. And I think they've kind of shot themselves away from each other. This was unexpected. Woo! Although these two are interacting, am I right? Sort of. It should get pulled up towards us, yep. Because this one's bigger mass. Or more mass, not necessarily bigger. Oh, I'm going to capture it as like a moon. I'm playing the role of the planet here, by the way. I've taken personal... Ooh. What's the word I'm looking for? Credit for all that is transpiring. Nope, these two are doing a dance. The music has stopped. This is awkwardly silent. Huh. Alright, well... that's different. What has happened here? Oh, there they go. Oh! And now they are one. I don't know that I'll actually ever hit this one. I think we're in orbit now. Yep. The perpetual dance of gravity. Whoa, that almost spoiled the party. Oh, those three. Look at these three. This is weird. I'm sorry, this is like very... it's very, what's the word I'm looking for? Mesmerizing. Mesmerizing. Yeah, we're both kind of locked in a spiral here that you can see. Although each time we are getting a little bit closer. So there might be an impact imminent. Oh, except he got stolen. Oh! Stole my girl. You stole my planet. Son, what's wrong with you? And that is where we get shot off into the dark loneliness of space. Oh, I see. It's kind of predicting. Yeah, it's predicting where it's going to go. Interesting. Huh. Well, that was a neat one. I like that one. Let's see here. Title. Shadows. Some of these are just like graphical tests. Scale tour. Let's do a scale tour. Oh, God. Oh, dear Lord. Alright, so there is VY, Canis Majoris, Betelgeuse, Rigel, Arcturus, Sirius, and then there's our sun. And then there's our sun. So there's our sun. There is the largest star that we know of. Ah, get mind screwed up. Good lord. Good lord. And then there's a really tiny sun. And then there's a brown dwarf, probably. Proxima Centauri. And then there's Earth. Little screwballs on Earth. We're being very well heated by the solar wind of these gigantic stars. Oh, no, go away. Oh, that's funny. Then it's actually, like, simulating it. Alright, so there's Earth. And you can't even see Earth anymore. Oh, God, that's not even the biggest thing. Mental! Craziness! Screw bags! Are we being, like, slowly drawn in via the gravity? I think that's the case. Whoa! Okay, yeah, it's too bright. I think that's pretty funny. How, like, the temperature simulation continues. The Earth is no longer. We are now a fine white mist. That's crazy. Craziness, I say. What else do we got? A comet test. Oh, God! Uh-oh. I think we created a supernova in the background there. Oops. Oops. I destroyed the universe. So we have a comet test. Okay, here's the sun. Where's this comet that I've been promised? Okay. Do I have to add the comet? Random asteroids. Can we... Oh, we can just, like, place a Pluto into orbit. Interesting. Can I just... launch? Yeah! Let me launch Ceres. At the sun. Well, that's gonna take about 6,000 years to get to the surface. Is that not how... I thought you could just, like, pow pow pow, like, launch things. Launch rings... Black holes. Oh, no. Oh, here we go. Launch. Oh, what have I launched? An Earth. Really close to the sun. What have I done? I don't know what I've done. How do I... Oh, no. I wanna... That's the problem with the game thing like this, is all the buttons mean different things. Go to it. No, I want to focus on the Earth, please. Yep. Show body. No. Go to it. See, you should be able to... There we go. What have I done to the Earth? I've apparently put it a little bit too close to the sun. And, bad things are happening. We are now a comet. That's a shame. Whoops. And we fell into the sun. That's a shame. That's a damn shame. Alright. Moonswarm. Oh, God. Oh, dear. Must be a bad day on planet Earth. Oh, it's also a bad day for my computer. 'Cause I'm dropping the frames. So many eclipses. None of them have hit Earth yet, though. We're alright, we'll be fine. Don't worry about these many millions of moons and the crazy tidal effects that would have. Oh, that's the end of us right there. Oh, dropping frames. Ooh, double eclipse. Oh, there, that's that. That's the end of that whole life experiment. Oh, here comes another one. Kablooey. Wow, yeah, the simulation is falling apart. Is this just like all the moons in the solar system that they put around us, I'm assuming? Ooh, look what happened here. Who are you? Oh, you are no more. These just random moons? Yeah, these moon names don't sound familiar to me. This moon has an atmosphere. Oh, they're like creating other planets out here that are going to compete. A competing Earth. This thing is 0.2 Earths right now. 0.3. Huh. Oh, that was a close one. A close shave. And Earth is now 2 Earths. Or 1.5 Earths, excuse me. Well, that's how that cookie crumbles, isn't it? What happened to the music? The music, like, just stops. I demand entertainment for both my eyes and my ears. Settings. Audio. You know, tension mode? Tension mode, so it, like, changes... Actual tension, desired tension. Do you have any desired tension, everybody? Relaxation? There we go. Huh, that's weird why, like, the music stops. Still an alpha build, still not 100% with us. The Earth is now 1.7 Earths. Critical mass! Oop, there comes a problem. Yeah, is there a... I wish there was a simulation for, like, how the solar system started. Like, you just start with a fine mist of material that slowly coalesces into certain parameters. Or we could just follow New Horizons. Ooh, New Horizons! There we go. See you later, Pluto. Do they have the right? Yep. Neat. Although I think New Horizons is slowly rotating for thermal properties, but and that's Pluto, and that's the solar system, and that's Earth way on the inside, so that's a far distance away. Is this its next target? I know they're trying to choose its next target, but... Huh. Huh. Whoa, hello, hi, how you doing, New Horizons? Nice to see you. Can we go back to Pluto? Yeah. Do they have the new, Not really. Still need to update the textures for Pluto. Kind of close. That's maybe where the heart thing is, or whatever. And Sharon, of course. Oh, they've got the kind of the dual orbits. Neat! Science! Wow, what's a cool looking thing here? Supernova close-up in real time. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. So it collapsed, and now it is releasing all of its power. What happens if we speed this up a little bit? Oop. Oh, you can't. Oh, yeah, you can. Whoa! And then you end up with a pretty little nebula. Science, screwbags! Welcome, Test for Echo. Oh, I didn't see Test for Echo. That name sounds familiar. Ooh, that's a neat effect. And through your telescope, it kind of looks like that, probably, without the text, obviously. But yeah, that's like the Ring Nebula, or the I don't know. There's a whole bunch of them that look similar to that through a telescope. Obviously, it's not as colorful either when you're looking through a telescope, but neat. It's a happy little nebula, yes. All out here all by itself. This is neat and all. I still have a mild preference to things like Space Engine or whatever. But this is still cool. I wonder what this was all about. Like, why this little poof? Why this little fart on this side? Oh, and then it becomes a white dwarf. Oh, that's neat. They actually went ahead and made that happen. Alright, neat. Boy, they are thorough here. Yep, little white dwarf on the inside. Awesome. A supernova in a galaxy. Hey! It's a little bit disco. Oh, and that was about it. Okay, that was exciting. Type 1A supernova. The stellar evolution of our sun. Okay. Slowly growing. Oh, is it gonna go red giant on us? Oh. No, it just started over. That's not how it works in real life, my friends. Oh, here's a good one. The comet that collided with Jupiter in 95? Well, this is all happening too fast. Does it leave the scars? It did not. Alright, let's... Moderately disappointing. Anyway, what else can we look at? Dice swarm. Ah, yes, the stellar dice. Are you unfamiliar with the stellar dice? Oh, here we go. Here's a good test of matter coalescing and whatnot. The dice are growing. And we end up with the main dice, the main die, and a moon die. And that is how the Earth was formed. Somebody was rolling, playing Yahtzee. Ah, okay. Yahtzee. Cone Dodger knows. We said that at the same time, practically. Let's see. Earth and 5,000 moons. I have a feeling that would melt my computer, so let's not do that. Any galaxy. Just any galaxy? Oh. Oh, that's the black hole on the inside. That's neat. Oh god. Alright. Okay, we're just looking at any galaxy. That's fun. Thanks, I guess. Ba, 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 ba. Neutron star. Meteor shower? How do you do a meteor shower? What? What am I looking at here? Sand. Oh, they're just like throwing some... Wow, okay. They just have random little minute particles falling towards the Earth, and we're going to get them watch them burn up in the atmosphere. Is that's what's happening here? All right, go for it, little dudes. What are you waiting for? Yellow. I don't want to speed it up too much and miss the meteor shower. Oh no! Oh, whoa! Whoa! I don't think meteors are that that pungent with the explosions. Well, I guess that's the best they could do with what they got. Many eccentric orbits. Whoa, I'd say. Planet Zero. Swoop. Whoops! Sorry, you're gone. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, you took a quick spin there. Oh, I think because I'm speeding it up so much, it's less accurate. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Sorry! Didn't mean to doom you with my impatience. Supernovas. Historical. This third stage of Apollo 12, which is still out there. Fiction. Game of Thrones. What? Stress tests, no thanks. Experiments. Human scale. The orbit bowling ball. This is a bowling ball, and here are some baseballs. Just floating around like they do. Sports! In Universe Sandbox, everybody. Other tests. Saturn. Oh, okay. It's a simulation of the rings of Saturn, as indicated by a bunch of little particles. See, now here's what I want to do. Can I mess with something here? Edit. Okay. Add. Can I like throw an Earth through the rings to see what happens? All right, Earth launch. Okay. I want Earth. Oh, that didn't work. I want Earth to... Yeah, okay, now I got it. Pow! Have an Earth, Saturn. Oh, Earth is a lot smaller than anticipated. Okay, so Earth is on a course for the edge of the rings. No, go away. Okay, don't edit. Oh, here we go. All right. Let's watch Earth. From Earth's perspective, if we were to be approaching Saturn and intersect with the rings, what sort of craziness would happen? Ah. Oh, we are actually getting sucked into the planet. That is not what I anticipated. Although I should have, I suppose. Sorry, Earth. Didn't mean to. I don't think it disturbed the rings at all. Oh no, it caused a little bit of a bend. See the little bend there? Neat. That's kind of what I wanted to do. Alright, let's have another Earth. But let's try to actually miss the planet, maybe. Oop. Launch? No. Add? What? There we go. Alright. Oop, I've caused a disturbance on the planet Saturn. That's a shame. Alright, let's try to miss it. So can I... Whoa, where do you think you're going? I told you to go the other way. You screwball Earth? You dang... Oh, I've caused some unfortunate heating of Saturn. Why are you going that way? Come back! What the f... okay. Alright, what happens, I guess, if we put it in orbit? Yeah, oh, this might have been a better thing to do. Oh, Earth came out the other side. Look at that. You're alive! You're alive! Alright, there we go. That's maybe what I should have done. Get out of here. Alright, so now this Earth is in orbit, but should be intersecting... So many Earths! Should be intersecting with the... Or at least interfacing with the... Yeah, there we go. It's... I will take your rings and make them my own. That's cool. Of course, now Saturn is a sun. That was an accident. I apologize. Yeah, there we go. Now we're really screwing it up. Oh, we're sending some of the ring particles back into Saturn. Take your particles! Take your particles with you! Ooh, we're really... There we go. We're intersecting once again. Neat. And again, the music has stopped. You know what I should just do? There we go. I'll bring my own music. Huh. Alright. Well, that was interesting. That's kind of the... What I get out of Universe Sandbox is like, oh, well, that's neat. But I find a hard time... getting much, like, long-term play out of it. But it's still cool. Certainly, the addition of, like, impacts and heats and atmosphere and climate changes based on certain catastrophes and events certainly helps. Do any of these... Oh, they do. Okay, I was going to say, do any of these impact the planet? I guess they do. But they don't really leave any lasting effect. Oh, did I make a second Earth accidentally and send it into orbit? I don't know. I don't know what's going on anymore. This whole universe thing is making me queasy. Yeah, that's right, Cone Dodger. It's it's about 30 minutes of well, that was neat. Well, I'll see you again in 3 months. Yeah, we'll come back. I mean, some of the things like here in this situation where we are orbiting Saturn, some of the things they're talking about adding is okay. Well, the climate. Well, I suppose if we were tidally locked, it would make more sense. The climate on this side of the planet would be different than on the other side of the planet. Even so far as trying to simulate tidal forces. Like right here, this side of the planet, the crust would be pulled further than the other side, which would cause heating and cracking. They're talking about simulating that, which actually happens. That's why, like, certain moons of Jupiter and Saturn that are tidally locked will have that kind of... You know, that's why Europa and these ice moons have cracks and kind of like plate tectonics, is because the forces from the main planet, Saturn or Jupiter, are kind of stretching and elasticizing the surface. But, you know, Chad was talking about how they're working on programming that sort of thing in, but it does take quite a bit of computation and programming to simulate such things. It would be cool. I think they were also talking about, like, okay, the gas giants, you know, or atmospheres being pulled separately than, say, the surface, the rocky surface. I don't know. I might be overselling this. I might be wrong, but I thought there would be. Wasn't there a flare? Wasn't there like a Jupiter and black hole simulation? I'm looking for something else that's neat. Earth with climate and times 120 and sun. What? Sorry. Alright, maybe I was wrong. Be mildly amused. Bouncing planets, the bombardment of Earth. Oh, well, I guess I was wrong. Unless, oh, maybe, is it under the create? Ah, maybe it's under the create. Black hole and moon, Mars and moons, black hole, Jupiter, 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 Neptune, Jupiter Ceres, moon, Wolf and Earth, Sun and Earth. Well, that's a shame. What was one? One caught my eye here really quick that I just wanted to check out. Really melt the computer was like the high res. The galaxy collisions, I think, are my favorite. Yo! That's cool. Woo! Get your day messed up, Galaxy. There was... Oh, what was it? There was a program that this was all it did. It wasn't really a game, and you had to, like, edit the config files to change parameters about how many galaxies there were and how many points of data you would have. But it was pretty much like those simulations you'd see in like, science shows and things about when galaxies collide. Oh, there goes some stars. Out to the middle of nowhere. I forgot what it was called. It was like called 3D Galaxy or some Galaxy 3D. It was just some weird random... Probably I should not have downloaded it because it was just off some website, this exe file. But that was a while ago. That was maybe even 10 years ago that I found that. Are these guys going to come back? I'm assuming they're going to come back. Yeah, I think they're... Whoa! Coming back. I think. Show orbits, show trails. Okay, that's the trails of the galaxies. Are you guys changing course? Are you no longer interested in each other? It's possible they're no longer interested in each other. That might have been faked. Like, it seems like they just went in a straight line. Oh, no, they're turning around. See that? Come back. Oh, yeah, they just changed directions. Did you see that there? Ha, come back. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're gonna have another collision here soon, and then we'll call it. It's gonna take a couple 100 billion years for this to happen, so let's speed time up a bit. Come on, galaxies! Alright, let's slow things down again. Oh, not that slow, though. Just as they start making sense again as galaxies, they collide again from the distance. Whoosh. Whoosh, I say. Whoosh. Huh, alright. There are distinct chunks of particles. Like that is probably simply rendered as a single point of physics. Same with that cloud and that cloud. So it's not like we're seeing each individual star. Yeah, you're seeing there's different chunks of stars are being simulated. Which, as it starts to devolve, as it does, it starts to look a little bit weird. We've got little cotton balls just orbiting each other. Huh, alright, well, that's different. Ooh. Planets and moons. It's a shadow test. If you say so. Where's the light coming from? Oh, okay. It's an unknown source of light. Oh, off in the distance over there, I guess. Okay. Alright, there it is. There it is. I think we'll call it right here. This is Universe Sandbox 2. The 2 is like a squared 2. There we go. Universe Sandbox 2. Available on Steam. A neat little kind of toy type of thing. I'm still not sure I'm 100% using it to its full potential. It's just kind of a problem with the way it works. But certainly a lot better than Universe Sandbox 1, thanks to the collisions and the things like that. So I kind of, a long time ago, I made a video on Universe Sandbox 1, and I kind of gave it a kind of a down review. It's because I had just gotten done finding space engine, which is amazing, and was completely blown away by that. So when I came into Universe Sandbox, I was like, meh, but it's still pretty cool. There's nothing else that I'm aware like it on the market, so it is a unique thing and a kind of cool toy for us space and universe and science nerds alike and whatnot. Thank you, Cone Dodger provided the link in the chat there.